This is video footage of the tree that sits right on the property line. And let me cross the street safely here. Just get some close footage here. Now here's the two houses. One, two. We want to see. Now here in the driveway, I'm going to show us some. Let's see if I can see. Right in the center of the screen, there's a spike, and that spike pretty much goes up that. Let's see if I could zoom in on it. See that spike? Okay, that spike. There's a whole bunch of them that go up the driveway like that. Okay, and now we come up to the property line. Here we go. And now we see this tree. This giant tree on the property line. So, the question is, right, what to do with this tree? Now, let's go in the backyard. Let's go in the backyard. Whoops, let's bring out. Okay, so here is the tree and the fence. Okay, so obviously it's. So the question is, and here's the fence, can we cut down this tree? This giant tree.